If you need to find coterminal angles, that means you're looking for something that would land in the same place on a circle drawn for as 2 pi over 3. So let's first visualize where 2 pi over 3 is. 2 pi is a full 360. So this right here is pi over 2, half pi. This right here is pi, 3 pi over 2, 4 pi over 2, 2 pi in other words. So that would be 360 degrees. So 2 pi is a little bit bigger than 1/2 pi. It's somewhere over here. That's just a visual representation. We need to find two other angles, one positive, one negative, so that when you rotate them, you would land in the same place. And in green, that's going to be our negative angle. That's what's going to happen. And here's how we're going to make the calculation. You take that 2 pi, and you subtract a full revolution of the circle from it. We're going to subtract 2 pi from it. Because subtracting 2 pi takes this angle and then rotates it 360 degrees around back to where we started. So subtracting 2 pi or adding 2 pi gets you back to where you started. And when we do this, this is just fraction arithmetic. I got common denominators, and when you subtract those, you get negative 4 pi over 3. So negative 4 pi over 3 is a coterminal angle to 2 pi over 3. Because if we go back to our graph, negative 4 pi over 3, here's negative pi over 2. Here's negative pi. Negative 3 pi over 2 is up here, so negative 4 pi over 3. That does land in the same spot. And then we need a positive coterminal angle, so we're going to do something similar. We're going to take 2 pi. What do we have for an angle? We had 2 pi over 3 as an angle. And we're going to add a full 360 to it. Add a 2 pi. And now if you do the fraction arithmetic out for that, we get 8 pi over 3. That's another angle. 8 pi over 3 means you go a full 2 pi, but then another 2 pi over 3. That would get you a coterminal angle because it lands in the same spot. So this one here is a positive, and this one here is a negative coterminal angle to 2 pi over 3.